Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're noticing a frame per second drop or FPS drop on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, on how to resolve some of these issues. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in regedit, so R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back a registry editor. You want to right click on this and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything went wrong, you could easily restore it back. And in order to create the backup, it's very simple. You just would left click on the file tab and then export. File name, I'd recommend the date that you are making the backup. Export range should be kept to all, and save it to a convenient location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, you just would select file and then import and navigate to the file location. So again, very straightforward process there. And now we're ready to begin. So you want to start by double clicking on the HKey current user folder. Do the same thing now for the system folder. Same thing for game config store. Just go ahead and left click on that actually one time. And now on the right side, you want to locate something that says game DVR enabled right here. Go ahead and double click on that. You want to set this value data to 0. So if you see a 1 in here, type the number 0, select OK. And once you're done with that, you can close out of the registry editor here and restart your computer. If you're still having a problem after you have restarted your computer, another thing we can go ahead and try once you've reopened the registry editor would be to go and expand the HKey local machine folder by double clicking on it. Do the same thing for the software folder, and now do the same thing for the Microsoft folder after that. So once you've expanded Microsoft, you want to locate a policy manager folder and go ahead and double click on that. There should be a default folder under that. Go ahead and double click on it. And now there should be something that says application management. Go ahead and double click on it. And then finally, there should be something that says allow game DVR. Just go ahead and left click on that one time. And now on the right panel, you want to locate something that says value. It should be a D-word value in here. Go ahead and double click on it. And you want to set this value data to 0. So delete the 1, type the number 0, select OK. Please note if you need to pause the video and take note of our file path, it's up at the top of the screen here. Each backslash is a different folder we've gone under to get to this point. So anyway, once you've done that, you can close out of the registry. Would suggest restarting your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.